So good evening everyone, Namaste, Gonmanwa. I'm your host Devyani for tonight's show and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome to all of you in this absolutely scintillating extravaganza evening. Let's start this wonderful evening and today we are really fortunate to have our directors over here, our eminent guest over here, which I'll formally introduce them to you. Mr. Ikuji Ikeda, President and CEO Sumitomo Rubber Industries Limited, welcome sir. Mr. V. Kowa, President and CEO Stanford Tires Corporation Limited, welcome sir. Also we would like to welcome Mr. Satoru Yamamoto, Director and Senior Executive Officer. Mrs. Don Wee Wang Ying, Executive Director, Stanford Tire Corporation and spouse of Mr. V. Kowa. Welcome, ma'am. Dr. Wee Lee An, Director, Stanford Tires Corporation. Welcome, ma'am. Mr. Yasuhiro Nemota, Managing Director, Falcon Tire India Private Limited. Welcome, sir. Mr. Akihiko Fujinaka, Director, Human Resource and General Affairs. Welcome, sir. Mr. Brian Uren, Director, Falcon Tire India Private Limited. Welcome, sir. And Mr. Frankie Lim, Director, Sales and Marketing, Falcon Tire India Private Limited. Welcome, sir. So, well, guys, once again, let's give them a big round of applause for their presence. Thank you so much. So everyone, let's have a big round of applause as we'll start this evening by giving religious opening. Everyone, please be cheered up. Come on, everyone. Thank you so much.
Good evening. Falcon Tire dealers and guests, Mr. Wee and Mrs. Wee and An-san from Stanford Tires, and also the entire staff of Falcon Tire India. I am Ikuji Ikeda, President and CEO of Sumitomo Rubber Industries. Congratulations to all of you on the 5th anniversary of Falcon Tire India, and thanks to all Falcon Tire dealers for their continuous support. Sumitomo Rubber Industries established Falcon Tire India in association with Stanford Tire Singapore in November 2012 and started the tire sales operation from April 2013. I'm very much pleased to be here on the occasion of the 5th anniversary of Falcon Tire India. I'm very much appreciated all dealers who have relied on Falcon Tires and have worked hard to increase the sales. I would like to say thank you again. Please allow me take this opportunity to introduce Sumitomo Rubber Industry Group. Sumitomo Rubber Industries was established at Kobe, Japan in 1909. It will be 110th year's anniversary in next 2 years. And we are the fifth largest tire manufacturer in the world with a sales volume of 7.8 billion US dollars in 2017. Sumitomo Rubber Industries Group has 12 tire factories in 8 countries around the world and are selling more than 120 million units in a year. In India, Falken Tire started a business in 2013 and steadily increased the sales volume year on year, achieving the sales volume of 540,000 units in 2016. In 2017, Falken Tire India targeted on more than 600,000 unit sales, but unfortunately sold 500,000 units only due to the combination of external factors, starting from the shock withdrawal of larger banknotes, tire price up caused by increased cost of raw material, and also pullback in consumer spending after implementation of GST. I suppose the sales staff of Falken Tire India are losing confidence because they could not achieve the target last year. I heard the Falken Tire India and also all the tire dealers are still facing a hard time due to continued decline in consumer spending. However, the new passenger vehicle sales in India are increasing year by year, and annual sales are now over 3 million vehicles, and the vehicle population is increasing with new vehicle sales growth. At the same time, the tire replacement market is also growing, associated with vehicle population growth. As you know, tire is a consumer product, and the fact that a vehicle cannot drive without a tire, the tire demand will come back without any doubt. Let's do our best to increase Falken Tire sales confidently and energetically. The Indian market has a potential for dynamic development, and having a population 10 times greater than Japan, and has a high development potential with more than 7% GDP growth rate from this year onwards, despite the 6% slowdown level in last year. Sumitomo Rubber Industry Group will support Falken Tire India from the product development, steadily of tire supply and sales activity in order to a path of sustainable growth. However, it will not happen without the dedicated support of all Falken dealers and collaboration between all concerned parties. So please kindly give all of your continuous support for Falcon Tire India. Finally, I wish for the health and happiness and the continued success of all attendees tonight. Thank you for your kind attention.
So come on, everyone. A huge round of applause. Everyone.
Namaste. Good to see all friends, and good to see the whole sales team here. And I'm happy to see you from 2005. So that's how long we are, and Falcon will be here for a long, long time to come. You can be assured that there will be new product, new exciting programs for all of you to join, and most important to you out there, the 100 dealers, the top 100 dealers, you can make a lot of money. So please join us and make this a happy night and enjoy yourself. Thank you.
Namaste. Good evening, Falcon Tire dealers and guests. Mr. Ikeda and Mr. Yamamoto from Sumitomo Rubber Industries. Mr. Wee, Mrs. Wee, and Dr. Wee from Stanford Tires. And the entire staff of Falcon Tire India. Thank you for your great speech, Mr. Ikeda and Mr. Wee. I'm Yasuhiro Nemoto. Thank you for joining on this 50th year anniversary of Falcon Tire India. And special thanks to all Falcon dealers for their continuous support. I am so glad with your presence on this ceremony tonight. And I am very much grateful to all dealers who have relied on Falcon Tires and have worked hard to increase the sales. 5 years ago, when Falcon Tire India started tire sales in India, who knew Falcon brand? Almost nobody knew. Now, after 5 years on, most of the tire dealers and many users know Falcon brand. Falcon Tire India and also all the tire dealers are still facing a hard time due to continued pullback in consumer spending. However, the tire demand will absolutely come back because tire cannot use forever. Falcon Tire India has sought out its growth plan for the next 5 years together with Falcon dealers and has made 3 conclusions. First point, rebuild our sales network. Second point, change sales mind to sell out from sell in. Third point, improve salesman's skill. For the first point, we will establish Falcon Tire Shop Club and reorganize dealer network. For the first point, we will establish Falcon Tire Shop Club and reorganize dealer network. So we will organize the dealer network like this. 4 classifications: platinum, gold, silver, and bronze. Of course, platinum member have the more benefit, and we will make best support. For example, tire machinery support and signboard support, many benefits we will prepare. Of course, all the dealers here have the first priority to be a member of Falcon Tire Shop Club. And we will come over to your place one by one after we fix the program, which include host of benefit and support scheme for the Falcon Tire Shop Club members. For the second point, we will do more sell-out support activities for users, utilizing global promotion made by Sumitomo Rubber Industries Group, like Liverpool Football Club in British Premier League. For the third point, we will study Indian tire market and groom our sales team with all Falcon dealers. So please kindly give all of your continuous support for Falcon Tire India. In summary, I would like to say, please sell more Falcon tires. Thank you for your attention.
Let's welcome on stage Nitish Bharti. Ladies and gentlemen, there are 5 categories of awards to be given out. And the first category to be given out is for top 5 Indian dealers. And the first winner is, so the winner is Mr. Vikrant. Our first winner in this category is Mr. Vikrant. So now the second category to be given out is for top dealers in North region. The first winner is Mr. Inderjeet Singh Taneja from New Taneja Enterprises. Congratulations. Third category to be given out is for top distributors in East region. And in this, the first winner is Mr. Vikas Kumar Maheshwari from Mantri Sales. So now we are moving further to our next category, that is for top dealers in West region. And the first winner in this category is Mr. Modi Sanjay from Suman Tires. Congratulations. So now is the time for the final final category to be given out is for top dealers in South region. And in this category, our first winner is Mr. Pappan Palaniswamy from Super Tire World. Congratulations. So 3, 2, 1, now! So come on everyone, a huge round of applause, everyone! Everyone in this evening! So now, ladies and gentlemen, is the time for a toast, and now I would like to request Yamamoto-san to please come to the front and do us the honor by leading us in the toast.
Namaste. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. I'm Satoru Yamamoto. I'm Director and Senior Executive Officer. Now, may I ask to join me in a toast for the 5th anniversary of Falcon Tires India, and for the health and happiness of attendees tonight. Oh, okay. Please lift
So come on everyone having this sake drink. Show me your hands, everyone.
Please lift
Show me your hands.
Cheers!
So come on everyone, let's all together 3 cheers for
Cheers!
Falcon Tire India Private Limited. So come on everyone. So here we'll start.
Celebration. This is your
So
celebration.
come on everyone, 3 cheers for Falcon Tire India Private Limited. Everyone.
Celebrate. Celebrate good times. Come on.
So once again, can we do have a big round of applause? Everyone. Thank you so much.
केसरिया बालम आवो नी पधारो रे बाजे रे ढोल
Mr. Nitish Bharti. Everyone, a huge round of applause. And Nitish Bharti, you know, you performed so well. Your performances are like simply amazing. Mrs. Janvi, just be on the stage because, you know, now we are going to announce our lucky 5 winners for tonight. So can we have a bowl, please? That fish bowl. Say yes or no? So ready? So here we are going to announce our, so the name is Rahul Agarwal. Who is the lucky one?
Check. Can you take this
And the
light?
name is, so well, congratulations. Still, congratulate करना बनता है. Heartiest congratulations. जो भी third winner होगा वो यहाँ से लेके जाएगा Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Wow. Yeah. And the winner is Nikhil Kathuria. Nikhil Kathuria. So now we are going to announce our second winner, जिनको मिलेगा IFB का microwave, and the second winner name is Kacharia Ravinder. So congratulations, इन्हें मिलता है IFB का microwave. That's so good. यार I wish मैंने भी मतलब lucky draw coupon यहाँ पे किया होता. Who is the first winner for tonight? And he is. Woohoo! What's your name? What's your name? Everybody wants to know what's your name. Anyway, एक बार जोरदार तालियां for विकास. So come on, everyone. Congratulations. Thank you. So now I would like to request to come on stage, Nemoto-san. Please come on the stage to present a memento to Mrs. Danvi. So everybody, please be cheer up. Come on, everyone. तो शुरू करें? Woohoo! So let's start from you. We have to ramp walk. Start ramp walk. Wait. Can we have this song Gangnam style? So everyone just be ready. So 3, 2, 1. Let's hit the song. Come on, everyone. Everyone just.
낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선어해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 이지만 놀 땐 노는 선어해 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선어해 근육보다 사상이 울퉁불퉁한 선어해 그런 선어 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디
Everyone is enjoying over here, right? So now let's start the celebration. Or I can say कि party अभी शुरू हुई है. So now we are going to present you out very famous dance, or I can say Bollywood dance. So everyone just keep your eyes right on the stage because as we do have a very special beauty with us, जो अभी आप सभी के होश उड़ा देने वाली है. So 3, 2, 1, and here she is.
इश्क दा सूटा लाया है दिल मेरा तेरे पे आया है
जोर से, आह की आवाज है आती हर ओर से। मैं तो चलूं इस कदर कि मच जाए रे गदर, होश वाले भी बदहोश आए रे नजर। मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से। मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से। फेविकॉल से, फेविकॉल से। मैं तो कब से हूँ रेडी तैयार, पटा ले सैया मिस कॉल से। मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से। आजा मेरे राजा तुझे जन्नत दिखाऊं मैं, बर्फीले वारी में फायर लगाऊं मैं।
सारे इंडिया ओ सारे इंडिया को तूने गुलाम किया रे।
मैं तो तंदूरी मुर्गी हूँ यार, कट काले सैया एल्कोहल से। मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से।
शहर की कर रहे तेरा बेट रे, अरे तुम के जो कमरिया हिले चिल्ला का स्टेट रे। पर कहानी और रानी पुरानी है तेरी। फिर भी तेरे फोटो को सीने में यार चिपका लूंगा मैं फेविकॉल से।
My gypsy with siren तैयार, भगा ले इसे पेट्रोल से। पेट्रोल से, पेट्रोल से।
फोटो को सीने में यार चिपका लूंगा मैं फेविकॉल से।
मेरे फोटो को सीने में यार चिपका ले सैया, चिपका ले सैया, चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से।
की झप्पी ले जा तू अभी, मिलूंगी फिर न दोबारा। की झप्पी ले जा तू अभी, मिलूंगी फिर न दोबारा। मुझे 9 लाख मंगा दे रे ओ सैया दीवाने। मुझे 9 लाख मंगा दे रे ओ सैया दीवाने।
मैं शराबी हूँ, लोग कहते हैं मैं शराबी हूँ। तुमने भी शायद यही सोच लिया, हाँ, लोग कहते हैं मैं शराबी हूँ। किसी पे हुस्न का गुरूर, जवानी का नशा, किसी के दिल पे मोहब्बत की रवानी का नशा, किसी को देख के सांसों से उभरता है नशा, बिना पिए भी कहीं हद से गुजरता है नशा।
ऐसे
ਬਦਨਾਮ ਕਰਤੀ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਨੈਣਾ ਤੇਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਕਾਰ ਉਹ ਦਾਰੂ ਬਦਨਾਮ ਕਰਤੀ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਨੈਣਾ ਤੇਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਕਾਰੇ